Understanding Pull In, a comprehensive guide. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic to discuss. The phrase, pull in. This phrase can be a bit tricky as it has different meanings depending on the context. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to use pull in like a native speaker. So, grab your notebooks, and let's dive in. Pull in generally means to move something or someone towards a particular place or direction. It involves a kind of attraction or movement. Example 1, the car pulled into the driveway. Example 2, can you pull in the fishing line? In both examples, pull in is used to describe the action of moving something towards a specific point. When used in a social context, pull in can take on a slightly different meaning. It can mean to attract or draw people towards something, like a business or an event. Example 1, the concert managed to pull in a huge crowd. Example 2, the new cafe is pulling in a lot of customers. Here, pull in is used to describe the ability of something to attract people. In a financial setting, pull in can mean to earn or generate income or revenue. Example 1, the business pulled in over $1 million last year. Example 2, she pulled in a six-figure salary. In these examples, pull in describes the act of earning a certain amount of money. Like other phrasal verbs, pull in can be used in different tenses. Let's go through a few examples to see how it works. Present simple, the cafe pulls in many customers every day. Past simple, the movie pulled in millions at the box office. Future simple, the new marketing strategy will hopefully pull in more clients. And there you have it, a detailed look at the phrase, pull in. As you can see, its meaning can change depending on the context, but now you're well equipped to use it confidently in your conversations and writing. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning and see you in the next video.